Hello, in this video I will be installing the GeForce GT 710. I have an OptiPlex 9020. Now first you have to remove the little cover that protects the actual connectors. And this is just going to be a very simple process. So from here you're going to lift this up. We're going to insert it into this blue connector here. That's the PCI. And just like that, we're going to slide it in. And you press it down. Make sure that it's secured. And then flip this back over until it locks. And that's it. Now we are going to put the cover back on. And that's how you replace the video card on your OptiPlex 9020. Now I'm in my Windows machine. I'm going to right click on the Start button and select Device Manager. So here it is, Nvidia GeForce GT 710. Nvidia high definition audio. So all I need to do is just look for the drivers and then close. It says that it found it, but I'm sure that's just a Windows default. Okay, so let's go to the internet and see if we can find that. Windows 10. Okay, let's pick this one because it looks like it's the latest one. 460 2020. Okay, let's download this one and let's just save it. We're gonna speed up the process here, so we'll be back. So it's finished. Let's close it. And now if I go back, the drivers have been installed. So everything is working properly. Thank you for watching.